And I said maybe he should give them to me for my birthday. Because there's a bunch of cards that I want from the black deck, from his blacks that I really want. There was only a couple whites that I wanted.
Racist.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you up, Caleb.
Please.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. No. Divinity's Reach. Oh, there we go. Oh god, that was loud.
I've been told they sent emissaries to Lion's Arch.
La la la.
Lion's Arch isn't helping.
La 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 la.
You
La
wanted
la
me
la la.
That'll be fun. I kinda wanna play Ligu because I don't have work tomorrow, so I can sleep in. I feel bad that Ashley's car got you know, flat tired. Not flat tired, blown tired.
Yeah, by the way, I don't think you realize how happy I was when you texted me this morning and I was like... Oh, yeah,
You didn't have to take me.
I don't think you even know. Like, I was so happy. Like, I got up at 7 and checked my phone and you're just like, I don't need a ride. And I was just like, I looked at the clock and I was like, I get 3 more hours of sleep? Ah.
Yeah. It's too bad you didn't get to see me though.
Indeed.
That was the only downfall. If you guys couldn't tell, me and him are dating.
Did you see
No!
Well,
I had
maybe
no
some
idea.
people are... Shut the fuck up, Caleb. I'll kill you.
You won't.
Don't push your luck.
Push my luck. No,
Caleb, you're really quiet.
no, you're really quiet.
Don't make me beat you.
Please.
With a water bottle. Full of rocks.
That doesn't sound pleasant.
Yeah. So shut up.
No, you.
No, you. Grandma went to cleaned my pillowcase. And I have my Yu-Gi-Oh pillowcase on there now. I was like, I came home from work and I looked at it and I'm just like, sweet. I get to sleep on the Dark Magician. The Dark Magician is the shit. Well, he was the shit. Now everyone else is the shit. Except they're all stupid. There is dust flying around. Go away.
Secure the
Yay.
gate. Don't let the renegades
My War
escape.
Master. I have a tutor, pretty much. Person who watches over me. He's gonna teach me. His name is War Master Forgel. He's a Nord.
Yeah, I had a
He's
guy
awesome.
that was my mentor in the Order of Whispers. His name was Tybalt.
Welcome
And
to
he was
Ebonhawk,
a-
recruit.
He was a Char, and he was obsessed with
Raven's
apples.
Wings. What in the mist
And,
is
he
happening
died.
here?
It's the vigil.
Yeah, sacrificed himself.
Thank Balthazar, you're just in time.
Oh.
I'm Samuelson. Wade Samuelson, commander of
Samuelson.
Ascalon.
I'm War Master
Samuelson.
Kernson, and this is my new recruit.
The thing is, he
Give me a
was...
status
War
report.
Master Kernson. His voice.
Here's the
awesome.
problem. A bunch of Char renegades smuggled
He sounds
explosives
like
into the city.
Grandpa
They're trying to blow up
from-
one of the outer walls.
Ben 10.
The Ebon Vanguard stopped the demolition team.
Grandpa, you're
The renegade forces are attacking everywhere, from here to the central plaza.
That sounds like a blood-covered mess, Commander. How can we help?
We have to get to the city central plaza. Turn right, head down the road and through the crossing.
Are you still doing
You'll
the
see a big
dungeon?
statue at the center of the square.
Yeah.
Once we take the square, the Vanguard can do the rest. But without a rally point, we're falling apart.
Who are these renegades? What do they want with Ebonhawk?
They're Char who
Don't
disobeyed the
become like
orders of the High
Not even
Legions.
that bad.
These idiots would rather die than make peace with humans. And they're dangerous.
We'll capture the plaza, Commander, and teach a lesson to any renegades we find
Well,
along the way.
I told you.
Ready, recruit.
Kernson sounds
Move
like
out.
Grandpa, but he's a little bit like
Ebonhawk
deeper and more
fall.
gravelly. But
The
it's got
hell
that.
it will.
hint.
The hell it will while I'm here.
You coming? There you are. I want to get some vigil clothes. I mean, be part of the vigil. Whee! Whee! I don't like walking downstairs or walking upstairs. I have to climb them. I have to jump them.
Anyone else?
Is that weird? I just beat up a Char who looked like a tiger. I'll revive that guy later. I wasn't listening, I'm fighting.
Oh, okay.
Nobody probably could hear you either, because it was loud.
No, you.
No, they're fighting. Guys, I'm reviving people. You dicks.
Secure. Vanguard, form up and hold this area. We'll advance toward the crossing.
Ready for the next one.
Cool, they're all reviving each other.
Crossing is secure. Vanguard,
That's butts.
we'll take care of the troublemakers in the square.
Freaking females who wear light armor can wear shoulders with their chest piece from the Citadel of Flame.
I told you, it's just a bug.
I don't know if it's a bug though. I think it's intended. I think it's just stupid though. Like, I don't necessarily think it's like a bug.
Nope.
Oh. An Elementalist here, and she is wearing the full Citadel of Flame set,
Just look badass.
but she made an animation like she was fixing her hair, but she has the like helmet thing on, so she was just gonna like put my hand in my helmet for.
I could slaughter you like a pig.
Graham Skull Splitter. Oh, I think he sounds familiar. Doesn't he? Graham Skull Splitter.
No.
I don't know.
Traitors!
Oh my god, he does damage. A lot of damage. Get away from me, you dick. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. 3,
2.
Go god, get away from me. Oh,
Diamond. Indeed.
God damn it, god damn it, god damn it, god damn it, god damn it. Wahahahaha. Kill him while I'm alive. Please, for the love of all Jesus. Survived. I went down. He went in my ass.
Anyone else?
Ready for the next one.
On to the past. Your timing was perfect, War Master Kernson. I can't thank you enough. The renegades are getting bolder. This is the first time they've ever tried to bomb the fortress from the inside.
New tactics may signify a new leader. You think they finally found a shot caller with half a brain?
Think it. I know it. He's a char named Ajax Anvilburn, and that rotter's a thorn in my side.
Do you know anything about Anvilburn? Some way we could track him down and stop him.
Scouts tell us the renegades have a camp outside Ebonhawk, but my troops are tied up defending the treaty location. The Ebon Vanguard hasn't had a chance to check it, but if I had to guess, I'd say either he's there or his soldiers are.
We'll take a look, Commander. Ill-disciplined thugs like these should be easy to find.
We're so funny.
Your face.
Oh, okay. Well, watch yourself. Minor sigil of speed, minor sigil of bloodlust, or minor sigil of blood. Blood is 10% chance of critical. Steal health. This effect cannot trigger more than once every 2 seconds. Bloodlust gain plus 5 power each time you kill a foe. Max 25 stacks. Ends on down. Minor sigil of speed. Gain swiftness for 5 seconds on killing a foe. I'm gonna take the bloodlust.
That put me into an adventurous mood.
That puts me into an adventurous mood.
Oh, adventurous, your mood.
Shut up, Caleb. Woo. I got a black line salvage kit. Sweet. 50% chance to get rarer materials. So in your face.
Okay.
Yeah. Dang it. I gotta go sell stuff and put stuff into my bank. Well, I think I'm gonna end in the video here. So, if you want more of Guild Wars 2 stuff, you didn't even get to see Caleb.
Hi.
Yeah, he's too busy doing a dungeon. So, you won't be able to see him, and if you want me to do more, you might be able to see him. So, just leave some comments, some suggestions, and hey, party.
Party hardy.
See